Hey guys, Brian back here with a quick look at GameFi. All right, I've spotted some very bullish divergence going on here with GameFi, and I want to show you guys this because I believe this thing could really be setting up for a push up. Not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am smart enough to figure out when this bullish divergence shows up that you should definitely pay attention. Okay, right now we're at $2.81. We've had a high at $2.82 and a low of $2.65. All right, now we are on the weekly chart right here. I'm gonna open this up. All right, first thing I want to show you is down here on the bottom. Okay, this is the RSI. All right, the relative strength index. All right, if you look at this low here, and this was a higher low. This is on the weekly, okay? Now if we minimize that down, the same area, we had this low in price, and we had a lower low, okay? Now, just to bring this back up, same area in price, you can match these up on the chart. We had this low and a higher low. We had this low and a lower low. So this is bullish divergence on the RSI on the weekly, okay, which is huge. All right, when you get weekly bullish divergence, you better pay attention, okay? I'm expecting a pretty big move out of this thing. All right, we have the weekly. Obviously, this thing is pushed up, obviously, with this bullish divergence, but nothing like it should. Okay, well, it's up 100%, not too bad. All right, but I'm expecting bigger moves out of this thing. All right, we have the monthly RSIs at 81 to 77. We don't have much of one, but it is bullish. All right, the daily at a 197, still bullish. The 12-hour, see where we're at here. All right, we're getting up into the oversold area here, so could be expecting a pullback here in the short term. The 8-hour, yeah, starting to get a little bearish divergence here on the shorter terms. Okay, you can notice down here, same thing. You have this high and a higher high in price. On the RSI down here, you have this high and a lower high on the RSI. Now this shorter time frames, you can end up having, a pullback down and then a bigger blast up. These RSIs need time to cool off, right? You have the 8-hour turn and flipping bearish here. All right, so I'd be expecting, maybe a pullback down to the 230, 235, 240 area, and then the next push up. But this weekly bullish divergence is huge. You want to pay attention to that stuff, all right? This thing had an all-time high, of, let's go out in the monthly and look at this. Look at this thing. Had an all-time high of, $190? And it's at $2.81 right now. That's what a 80x to get 90x to get back to the all-time high. So that's the type of in my opinion, that's the type of tokens or coins you want to be in, where it's just a 90x just to get back to the all-time high. All right, so this thing could really make a nice run. The first price areas I would watch out for, okay, in this first move. Okay, and like I said, the short term, we could be expecting a little bit of a pullback, but the first areas would be up at, what do we got here, $6.14 to $6.80. If we break through the 745 area, then we're moving up to the next range, all right, up here. Then we would be moving to the $9.18 to the 1025 area. And if we break through 1131, then we would be moving to the next area. All right, so that, like I said, the first areas to watch out for, keep an eye on those first, okay? Them are the first areas to break here, 673 to 682. All right, that's your first areas. Keep an eye on them. This thing is just starting up, man. I believe it has a big rally coming up here. Okay, and from the bottom, this could end up being a 3.5x to a 4x, in this first run. All right, but with that weekly bullish divergence, I'm expecting a big move out of GameFi. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with you soon.